Okay, so in these videos, I'm just going to go over some examples from the textbook of questions and of how to translate or symbolize sentences involving multiple place predicates and identity. So first, I'm just going to do the exercises from exercise B of chapter 16. All right, and so to start off, we have Rave. Rave is a dog who likes samurai movies. That's fairly simple. We have Rave is a dog, and Rave likes samurai movies. Okay, next we have Rave, Shane, and Daisy are all dogs. Let me just check the symbolization. Key R, H, and D. Have Rave is a dog, and Shane is a dog. H, yeah. And Daisy is a dog. And that's number 2. Number 3, Shane is larger than Rave, and Daisy is larger than Shane. So this is a first case of a two-place predicate. This particular question is fairly easy to do. Shane is larger than Rave, and Daisy is larger than Shane. I have Shane is larger than Rave, and Daisy is larger than Shane. Number 4, all dogs like samurai movies. For all x, if x is a dog, then x likes samurai movies. Number 5, only dogs like samurai movies. Okay, so this is similar to the previous one, except the conditional is the other way around. For all x, if x likes samurai movies, then x is a dog. Another way to think of this would be for all x, if it's not the case that x is a dog, then x does not like samurai movies. These two are equivalent. All right, number 6. There is a dog that is larger than Shane. So there is a dog, it's an existential quantifier. There exists an x such that x is a dog, and x is larger than Shane. Number 7. If there is a dog larger than Daisy, then there is a dog larger than Shane. Okay. So there are a couple different ways we can do this one. The easiest way, most direct way, is just to translate it as it's written, which is where there's a the main conditional is the main connective is a conditional. So if there is a dog larger than Shane, or larger than Daisy, if there exists an x such that x is a dog and x is larger than Daisy, then there is a dog larger than Shane. Then there exists a y such that y is a dog and y is larger than Shane. All right, so there's another alternative way, an equivalent way to translate this, which is gotta get the parentheses right. All right, so these two are equivalent. In the second one, there are, all the quantifiers are on the outside of the sentence. So what the second one says is that for all x, there for anything that's a dog and larger than Daisy, there's a dog that's larger than Shane. Whenever there's a dog larger than Daisy, there's a dog larger than Shane. And in general, I'd suggest try and symbolize things as they occur in the English, because otherwise, if you try and move all your quantifiers out to the front, like in the second one, then it can be easy to get confused, because moving quantifiers around is tricky business. There's lots of little tricks and rules that you need to know that, well, we haven't taught you. And so in general, just translate, symbolize as the quantifiers occur in English. So in this English sentence, the quantifiers were inside the conditional. And so that's what I'd suggest you do.